Hi guys, I'm back live today for you guys. We are going to be doing breath work to increase our lung capacity, to strengthen our lungs, and to also alleviate or reduce stress and anxiety with everything that's been going on. Hi Mama's Lifestyle, Ishna, how are you doing? Good morning. So I'll just wait for a few of you to come and then we'll begin with this session. It's going to be a short session, so it won't take too long. But I'm just going to give you tips on how to, some of the pranayams that we use to increase our lung capacity, to really energize ourselves, body and mind. And thank you so much, Rohan. I miss you too, Ishna. I haven't stepped out of my house in the last 15 days because the lockdown is on, obviously, and I hope you guys are staying at home as well. But I came back from Delhi and I came with a very high fever. Though my tests were negative, so I have been isolating, and that's just how it's been. And I think the first 1 week was a lot of weakness, but then after that, now as you know that I have been practicing, I think it's very important to keep ourselves positive even in these circumstances, because it's unreal and it's very, very disturbing to know what is going on, but there is no other way. We can't sort of get down into that spiraling negative space in our head. I'm much better now. Very, very love you too, my darling. Ishna, call me. Yes, please. At least let's talk on the phone. Or let's see each other on the phone these days, right? With WhatsApp calls and stuff. So try and see if you guys can get some sunlight being in your house. Get some sunlight in the day, because that also kind of, sort of elevates your mood a little bit and takes care of depression as well, and a whole lot of things. But today, of course, we're going to be doing breath work, so I'm going to begin already now. So the first thing we're going to do today is just going to be breathing equal. So it's called summer breathing as well, which means we just breathe in for 5 counts, we breathe out for 5 counts. I want you to keep your eyes closed throughout this process. I will take all these questions as well. How do you mention yourself positive? These are the techniques that I'm giving you to actually remain positive through it all, to release your anxiety. So I still have a little bit of cold and cough, but we're good to go. So let's start with this equal breathing. This is just to center you back to where you are right now, and with everything that's going on, probably thinking of what you want to do for somebody today. You have a day off, maybe there's food to be cooked. There's so many things that are going on in our heads. So let's just come back and center and sit at one place. Keep your spine erect. Sit in any comfortable posture. You can also sit on a chair. You can do this even lying down if you want to. So let's just begin. Keep your spine comfortably erect. Feel like there's a little thread attached to your crown and which is pulling you up. So just elongate the spine, the flow of energy from top to bottom. Again, sorry about my throat. Let the energy flow not get disrupted with you doing this. Sit up really nice and tall. Close your eyes. This is called the Chin Mudra. So we'll keep our hands like this on our knees, palms facing up to the sky. Put them on your knees. And now we'll just do breathing, which is inhale for 5 counts and exhale for 5 counts. Now I'm going to give you the rhythm, but in case you cannot inhale for 5 and you can only inhale for 3, you do 3 and 3. Or if you want to do 10 and 10, because you're an advanced practitioner, you can do that. So I'm just giving you a middle point, which is 5 breaths in, 5 breaths 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to exhale. But you be mindful about what you can do, because everybody's breath differs. Eventually, it is, of course, great if you can elongate the breath as much as you possibly can. So let's get down to this. Close your eyes, spine erect. A lot of people, okay, one more piece of information. A lot of us are like this these days because we're working on the computer, phone, all of that is happening. You see how my shoulders are, you see how my back is. Back is rounded, so all the muscles and tendons in the back are stretched out. Oof, they're really upset. And all the tendons here at your sternum, at your chest are all rounded in, so they're contracted. What we need to do is really allow the shoulders to go back, and the chest should be open. The heart should be open. This is where your breath goes from the lungs into your diaphragm, into your abdomen. So we really want to keep all the channels open. So first of all, very important to sit, get the posture right. Even when you're watching TV, even when you're working, whatever you're doing, be mindful of pulling your shoulders back and your chest needs to open. Correct. Now close your eyes, get into your chin mudra, which is this, your thumb and the first finger together, tips of the fingers together, and let's just begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to your normal breath. Keep your eyes closed. Keep breathing normally. Just keep your eyes closed. I'm just going to tell you a technique for you to breathe. Now most of us kind of breathe wrong in a way that, you may open your eyes now. Take an inhale and see what happens to your stomach. Does your belly go out? Does your belly go in? And give me that answer. When you inhale, does the belly go out or in? So if you're inhaling and the belly is going out, that's great. As you exhale, the belly is going in, that's great. But if you're doing opposite, don't worry about it. Now you know how to do it correctly, right? So now it's just that when we are stressed or when there's deadlines happening and there's a lot going on in our lives, we end up shallow breathing or we end up breathing in the opposite way, which means when you're inhaling, the belly goes in. That is not the right thing to do. So be mindful about your inhales and exhales in terms of, even if there's a stressful situation that's come around, give yourself just that 1 minute to actually do this sort of a breathing with inhaling, expanding the belly, exhaling, contracting the belly. इंग्लिश नहीं आती, हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. चलो, जब आप अपनी ब्रेथ में एनीवे, जब आप इनहेल करते हो तो आपका स्टमक राइज होता है या फूल जाता है, और जब आप एक्सेल करते हो, जब आप अपनी सांस बाहर छोड़ते हो तो आपका स्टमक अंदर चला जाता है. ये करेक्ट वे है ब्रीदिंग का. ऑपोजिट हमें नहीं करना है. तो अभी हम फिर से एक बार करते हैं सम ब्रीदिंग या इक्वल ब्रीदिंग, जहाँ पे हम 5 काउंट्स में इनहेल करेंगे और 5 काउंट्स में एक्सेल करेंगे. लेट्स डू दिस वन मोर टाइम. क्लोज योर आइज, आंखें बंद करके चिन मुद्रा में आ जाइए. आप अपने हाथ अपने नीज के ऊपर रख के, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट इरेक्ट होनी चाहिए. आंखें बंद कर दीजिए एंड लेट्स बिगिन. इनहेल 2, 3, 4, 5. एक्सेल 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your eyes closed and just normally breathe. एकदम नॉर्मल ब्रेथ पे आ जाइए. इनहेल, एक्सहेल, शोल्डर्स नीचे. Just make sure that your jaw is relaxed, eyebrows are relaxed. Don't clench your jaw. Relax your shoulders down. Just breathe normally. Allow the belly to rise on an inhale. Exhale, the belly falls. तो ये था summer breathing या equal breathing. अगला प्राणायाम हम करेंगे जो really infuses energy into the body. It's a very energizing, warming, invigorating प्राणायाम जिसे हम कपालभाति कहते हैं ना. ये इंटरमीडिएट एडवांस प्राणायाम है. तो इससे करने से पहले थोड़े कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस दे देती हूँ. अगर आपको ब्लड प्रेशर है, हाइपरटेंशन है, अगर आपको अस्थमा या ब्रोंकाइटिस है तो आप ये बहुत ही स्लोली करेंगे. वरना मैं बोलूँगी कि एकदम फोर्सफुल ब्रेथ लेना है, लेकिन हाइपरटेंशन और अस्थमैटिक लोगों के लिए एकदम स्लोली करना है. आपका स्टमक एम्प्टी होना चाहिए, मतलब आपने खाना एटलीस्ट 1-1.5-2 घंटे पहले खा लिया होना चाहिए. इसलिए मैंने ये 11 बजे का क्लास रखा था. अगेन पीरियड्स जो है, प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ जो है, उन्हें ये नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर आपको स्लिप डिस्क या आपके स्टेंट्स लगे हुए हैं तो भी आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए. आप समर ब्रीदिंग कर लीजिए. इक्वल ब्रीदिंग जो हमने किया उसी को आप वापस कर लीजिए. और इसके बाद आप एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा दे दीजिए खाने के लिए. इमीडिएटली कुछ खाइए मत, क्योंकि आपके अंदर बहुत पावर जनरेट होता है, बहुत एनर्जी जनरेट होती है, तो वो सारी एनर्जी आपके डाइजेशन में चली जाएगी. तो आप इसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद खाइए. वैसे भी हम इसके बाद और 15 मिनट लेने वाले हैं, 15-20 मिनट. और ये प्राणायाम है कपालभाति. कपाल यानी कि सर, फोरहेड. कपालभाति का मतलब है शाइनिंग फोरहेड. दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्लेंजिंग प्राणायाम. Like I said, very invigorating pranayam, but this cleanses your lungs and your respiratory pathways. It stimulates your lungs, also cleanses and your sinuses as well. It boosts your endorphins. It stimulates your pancreas, which means it's very good for your blood sugar levels. It also stimulates your liver, your kidneys. And so improves the liver function, kidney function and pancreas function actually. This also is very effective in weight loss because इससे blood circulation बहुत बढ़ती है. तो weight loss, abdominal fat के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. blood circulation बढ़ती है, इसलिए it's great for your hair, it's great for your skin. It's like an anti-aging pranayam. It gets rid of your toxins from the body, which is why of course your skin also will glow. Your hair also will become better. The metabolic rate increases because I said it's a very energizing pranayam, which then of course anti-aging, like I just said. And of course it stimulates your nervous system, it stimulates your brain, so concentration and focus is increased because of this. And yes, it also creates endorphins in the body, which means that you feel good. And when you feel good, it's when जब आप workout करते हैं तब endorphins release होते हैं. There is the dopamine and serotonin. These are the chemicals that are released in the body, which are happy chemicals. So when you're feeling happy, you obviously cannot feel sad, right? It also releases your anxiety, your stress. So that's why pranayams are such a big part of any yoga practitioner's life. In fact, जैसे कि आसना का प्रैक्टिस लेवल 3 पे आता है अष्टांग योगा में, लेकिन प्राणायाम उससे भी एक स्टेप बड़ा है, लेवल 4 पे आता है. और उससे भी बड़ा है ध्यान, यानी कि आपका मेडिटेशन. So yeah, so let's begin with Kapalbhati pranayam. Simple. Again, the steps to begin with are always the same. You will sit up tall. It's very important to keep the spine comfortably erect. Now इसके लिए आप लेट के ना ये नहीं करेंगे, आप बैठ के करेंगे इसे. तो आप या तो चेयर पे बैठिए या फिर जैसे मैं बैठी हूँ कोई कुशन ले लीजिए, उसके ऊपर बैठ जाइए. Just your back has to be straight. Yeah. So spine comfortably erect. Again, you can keep your hands in chin mudra. अपने नीज के ऊपर अपने हाथ रखिए ऐसे. और I'll show it to you first. उसके बाद आप आंखें बंद करके कर लीजिए, ठीक है. तो we're going to take it very slow. We're just going to do 5 rounds in the first go. I just want you to see what I'm doing. आपके inhalations अपने आप होते रहेंगे. आपको forcefully exhale करना है. वो ऐसे होता है. पहले we take a deep inhale. Exhale from the nostrils. Can you see my abdomen going in and out? So this is what I'm doing. I'm forcefully exhaling. अगर आपके पास कोई टिश्यू या कुछ हो तो साथ में रखिए या कोई नैपकिन, क्योंकि maybe there's some gunk that might come out of your nostrils. Don't worry about it. Just do this right. So this is all we'll do. We'll do just 5 breaths to begin with. जो इसमें proficient है, जो ये जानते हैं, वो already कर सकते हैं. But for the beginners, please do it with me. So now you keep your eyes open on this. I want you to watch me and do it. Inhalations अपने आप हो जाएंगी. Exhalations हमें forcefully करनी है, ठीक है. Just throw out all those toxins in our body and also in our mind. All that negativity, let's just throw it out. And let's begin. Take a nice deep inhale. As you exhale, only from the nose, not from your mouth. Yeah? Mouth remains shut. Only exhale from your nostrils. Chalo. Nice inhale, deep. Relax. Come back to normal breathing. We did 10 this time. We're going to be doing 10 more. अगर आपको बीच में गैप लेने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है तो प्लीज़ नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग में आ जाइए. 5 ब्रेथ्स के बाद 6-8 ब्रेथ्स के बाद whatever. It all depends on you and your capacity. So let's start. This time we'll inhale and 10 times we'll breathe out. Like you were watching, मेरा स्टमक अगर आपने देखा होगा, every breath वो एक forceful उसमें आवाज़ आती है, वो आनी ज़रूरी है. और आपका एब्डोमेन अंदर खींच लेता है. These are the 2 things that happen when you're breathing forcefully. So let's do that. Don't do this mechanically. अगर हो रहा है तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो फोर्स नहीं करना. आपको सिर्फ अपनी ब्रेथ बाहर निकालनी है forcefully. Abdomen will happen on its own and it will happen as we go along. ठीक है, सब कुछ आज ही आना चाहिए ऐसी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो चलिए, let's start one more time. Spine comfortably erect. Keep your shoulders back, chest open. Nice inhale. Relax, close your eyes. Normal breathing now. Take a couple more of normal breaths and we'll do this one more time. This time we'll try and do 15, लेकिन अगर आपसे सिर्फ 5 या 10 हो रही है कोई बात नहीं, आप 5-10 ही करिए और फिर नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग में आ जाइए. फोर्स कोई भी चीज़ करनी नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर जितना आप ज़्यादा फोर्सिबली कुछ भी करोगे उतना उसके नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं. तो सिर्फ आपको ये देखना है कि आप अपने नाक से अपना श्वास फोर्सफुली आउट कर रहे हो. बाकी सब जो है, शोल्डर्स हमारे रिलैक्स्ड है, चेस्ट ओपन है, एब्डोमेन अपना काम कर रहा है. आपको बाकी कुछ नहीं देखना है, आपको सिर्फ अपना ध्यान अपनी ब्रेथ पे रखना है. तो चलिए एक बार फिर करते हैं. इनहेल, रिलैक्स, क्लोज योर आइज, बी वेरी माइंडफुल. मैंने काफ़ी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स में देखा है कि जब वो फोर्सफुली एक्सेल करते हैं तो उनके आईब्रोज ऐसे हो जाते हैं. ये जॉक नहीं चाहिए हमको. हम एकदम कामली बैठे हुए हैं, कुछ और मूव नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ ब्रेथ यहाँ से निकल रही है और एब्डोमेन अपना काम कर रहा है, बस. देयर इज नो दिस, देयर इज नो फोर्स, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक. ओके, सो दैट वाज कपालभाति. अगला प्राणायाम हम कर रहे हैं. ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्राणायाम है. आई थिंक सबको रोज़ करना चाहिए. मैं डेफिनेटली ट्राई करती हूँ कि रोज़ ही करूँ. इसका नाम है भ्रामरी प्राणायाम यानी हमिंग बी प्राणायाम. ये एक बहुत ही नेचुरल कामिंग इफेक्ट देता है आपके माइंड को, आपकी बॉडी को. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ आई थिंक अभी मैंने कहीं एक्चुअली पढ़ा है कि it produces nitric oxide in the body which can actually kill viruses in the body. Now I'm not saying that it's going to kill coronavirus etc. That's not really my thing. I'm just telling you that this will relieve you of your tension, it will relieve you of your anxiety, it will give you very also Kapalbhati. All the pranayams that are doing are incredible for your immunity, especially this one. इसमें आपका डाइजेशन विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड, योर स्लीप विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड. दिस इज़ सो गुड टू डू जस्ट बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप एवरी नाइट. इट इज़ सो इवन आफ्टर यू वेक अप एवरी मॉर्निंग दिस इज़ रियली वंडरफुल टू डू. क्योंकि आप जब when you just are waking out of your sleep, so waking up your brain is in a theta state. वो कहते हैं ना कि आप उठ के ही अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन मत उठाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका ब्रेन वायर होना शुरू हो जाता है. स्ट्रेस, एंग्जाइटी सब वापस it's all there then. Because when you're waking up, your brain is in this theta state where it's in this calm zone. This is when you should actually be doing this pranayama to stay there. आपका concentration, आपका focus बढ़ेगा, आपकी productivity बढ़ेगी, आपका nervous system ये प्राणायाम सूद करता है. It releases any kind of cerebral tension, releases all the stress, anxiety, anger. So this is like an instant relief pranayam. So if you are in a stressful situation, this is what you need to do. It is very good for your digestive issues, and trust me, this is coming from somebody who's had major digestion issues all throughout my life. So really, let's work this one very well. Now your ears have this little cartilage here. हमको बस ये बंद करने हैं using our thumbs, दोनों thumbs. Okay? बहुत जोर से नहीं हमें उन्हें दबाना है. वेरी लाइटली यू जस्ट होल्ड ऑन टू दीज. इट्स वेरी इजी एंड इट्स वेरी इफेक्टिव. तो ऑल वी गोना डू इज हमारा मुंह नहीं खोलेंगे, सिर्फ नाक से ब्रीदिंग होगी यहाँ पे. तो ब्रीदिंग नोज से विल इनहेल, एक्सेल करते हुए हम ऐसे एक्सेल करेंगे. If you do it, you'll realize that your entire head, your brain, your whole system right here starts vibrating in this beautiful space. So, which is why this is such an incredible pranayam. It really calms everything down. I think you should do it after you finish your meals as well, because I feel like it sort of just brings you back into this inwards, or into this space where I feel that all the energies from being this, ये करना है वो करना है, go and center down onto your stomach where the energy is needed for your digestion. So let's do this. We're going to be doing 5 rounds of these. Beginners आप 3 rounds कर लो, no problems, but let's just do this. चलो. So cartilage आपको अपने कान का बस हल्के से दबाना है, इनहेल करना है और एक्सेल करते हुए वो वाला साउंड बनाना है. ठीक है? ये ऐसे मत रखिए, आप ऐसे रखिए. ये आप लेट कर भी कर सकते हो. तो लेट्स गेट इनटू द पोस्चर. आंखें बंद कर दीजिए. टेक अ नाइस डीप इनहेल. And you can relax. How do you guys feel? I'm already feeling so relaxed. My shoulders are relaxed. I think my voice also is relaxed right now. It feels really, really nice. What's okay? I'll take some questions if you're after this. My diet plan, I want you to, okay, so I'll tell you मेरा diet plan बहुत ही is in a very short way. I feel like you need to work with the sun's circadian rhythm because our body follows the same rhythm. So I feel like आपका जो heaviest meal होता है वो जब सूरज अपने in the center होता है, जब when it's right above us, which means afternoon, 12 से 2 बजे तक, it's right in the center, right, it's the brightest. तो तब आप अपना सबसे बड़ा मील खाओ क्योंकि आपका डाइजेशन इसमें उससे बेटर होगा. मेरा नॉर्मली आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, मैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करती हूँ, तो मेरा फर्स्ट मील अराउंड 10:30 या ऐसे कुछ होता है. आई शुड हैव गॉट माय बॉटल. मैं थोड़ा आंवला का पानी पीती हूँ. आई विल शो यू हाउ आई डू इट आई थिंक इन माई नेक्स्ट लाइव. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू दीज लाइव्स एवरी संडे बाय द वे. अगला संडे वी विल डू ब्रेथ वर्क पार्ट 2 यानी प्राणायाम पार्ट 2, जिसमें मैं कोई और आपको आई गिव यू मोर प्राणायाम्स टू डू. आई रियली एनकरेज यू, आप हर दिन अगले 7 दिन जो है, या until next Sunday till we meet again, you please do these pranayams for 10, 15, 20, if you can 30 minutes every day. We are all working from home, तो वो आपका कम्यूट का टाइम सेव हो रहा है, तो वो आप इस चीज़ के लिए दीजिए. अगर आप योगा आसन भी नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, या पर दिस जो हमने आज 3 प्राणायाम किए हैं, अगर आप वो करेंगे, let me tell you, there will be a world of change, not just in your physical body, not just in your skin and your hair, but also in the way you think. अभी मुझे किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, what do you think of youth who are running after money instead of mental health? I think सबका एक टाइम होता है ज़िंदगी में जो जब वो चाहते हैं कि वो कुछ हासिल करें या whatever. So I mean, if you're running after money and that's your goal right now, it's okay. Maybe you want a life that gives you lots of pleasures in terms of things to buy. पर when you grow up a little bit, you might also realize कि आपको शायद वो material things इतने exciting नहीं लगते हैं, आपको कुछ और चाहिए. तो I think हर एक आदमी का अपना एक internal growth होता है, और उसी से I'm not saying anything is bad or not bad. Running after money, running after love, running after whatever you think is okay. जो भी है, अगर आप थोड़ा बैलेंस में करोगे तो आपको उसका इफेक्ट आपके लिए अच्छा मिलेगा. That's the only thing. Okay, now coming back to my food habits. So I start my food with I have my first meal at about 10:30 or so. I will have maybe a fruit. आजकल मैंगो सीजन में है, तो जो सीजन में फ्रूट आता है वो मैं ज़रूर खाती हूँ. तो I have like a mango or maybe a small banana or something. and I'm actually right now on this transformation sort of a journey for my body and whatever, because Bami and Boys is releasing, right? So we are shooting the season 2 as well right after the lockdown. So I'm obviously wanting to get into better shape and better body. I hope आपको Bamini and Boys का आपने ट्रेलर देखा या नहीं, आप प्लीज़ देखिए. 7th में यानी कि फ्राइडे को रिलीज़ हो रहा है हॉटस्टार, डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार कुछ पे. So please watch it on Hotstar. Okay, coming back to my food habits again. I'm sorry I'm doing this. So after I finish my yoga practice, which nowadays it's at about 11:15, because we're a bunch of girls led by Janvi, who's with Salva, who's doing some incredible classes, and with Malaika and the whole gang, Deanne and all of us sort of come on and do these really nice intense classes between 11 and 12. So yeah, after I finish my my yoga practice, either I have a tiny little protein shake. So whey doesn't suit my skin, so I've been having a vegan protein shake. You can also have maybe boiled eggs, because like I said, in this transformation journey, I am eating a little bit of fish and a little bit of eggs. So I have maybe like a boiled egg or something. And on this transformation journey, it's with this brand called It's All About the Journey, and they're putting me on a workout schedule as well. So between 1 and 2 I do this workout, and so this is 1 महीने के लिए है. Let's just see how that goes. So after that I have my bhakri in my lunch with my dal or any pulses or whatever that there are, और उसके साथ सब्जी and salad. That's my big lunch. Bhakri is either ragi or nachni or jowar these days. Bajra I like it very much, पर आज नहीं होता क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है. Bajra is heat. So yeah, that's my lunch. And then in the evening I have my dinner by about 6:30. Like I said, the sun goes down, you should finish with your dinner. उसके बाद आप मत खाइए. तो vegetarian ही मैं बोल रही हूँ. Again, in the evening you can normally I just have sprout का salads, but my salad is really big. मतलब मैं इतना सा नहीं खाती, मैं बहुत सारा खाती हूँ. तो उस सैलड में आपको स्प्राउट्स मिलेंगे, different kinds of sprouts, या फिर you can I put like and lots of veggies in it as well. So there'll be spinach in it, mushrooms in it, there'll be kanda, tomato, beetroot, all of that goes into my big salad. There'll be some nuts in it to just make it healthy, and that's my dinner. Sometimes it's soup and salad, sometimes it's sprout salad. So that is my basic 3 or 4 meals that I have in a day. I start with my meal at about 10 o'clock in the morning. I finish it by about 7 o'clock in the evening. So then from 7 in the evening to 10 in the morning I do, or 10:30 in the morning I do intermittent fasting. On Sundays, which is like today, I have 2 tablespoons of castor oil early in the morning when I wake up, because the castor oil is incredible. Your joints, your skin, I mean, it's fabulous to keep all that moisturized, first of all. And second thing, it also cleans your stomach like nothing else. So castor oil Sunday mornings is like a thing since I think we were growing up in growing up days. I'm still growing up. So yeah, right. So I'm just going to take a few more questions. Actually, maybe I'll just put my diet chart on what I eat in a day. I'll make a video or something. Sometimes your knee hurts while stretching. Knee hurts. See, if your knee hurts, first of all, back off. Don't do anything. Yoga आप करते करते जो भी see क्या होता है, if your hips are tight. So if I want to sit in Padmasana, okay, this is my Padmasana. Now a lot of people can't do this, but they'll still start doing this, pressing their knee down to get the other leg up. Now that's because your hips are tight, you're torquing your knee literally to get this thing up. Don't do that. that will sure cause problems with your knees. Or I drink castor oil, not garlic. How do I manage cravings? See, once in a while I give in to them, like I do. You know, biryani used to be my full-on comfort food. But if you just don't do it all the time. Which castor oil brand? Okay, this I will put in the thing. I have got castor oil brand कौन सी है? I know, I don't remember the name, but I just went through a lot of things on Amazon, and I picked it up off Amazon only because the rating was very good. I read a lot of reviews. When is Mismatch season 2 coming? पहले शूट तो होने दीजिए, ख़त्म तो हो जाए अपना this whole lockdown situation. उसके बाद how to do a perfect split? I can do a little video on that. If you do a certain hip openers every day, like lunges and your hamstring stretches every day religiously, maybe I'll put a tutorial of some 5-6 poses that you can do every day so that you get your splits faster, front splits I mean. Vidya Sharma India, yes. और कोई questions है आपके तो मैं I will which castor oil brand? I'll put that in the caption. Castor oil brand. Which is the new series? हमारी न्यू सीरीज़ इस फ्राइडे को रिलीज़ हो रही है. मैंने अभी उसके बारे में बात की. उसका नाम है बामिनी एंड बॉयज़, जहाँ मैं बामिनी प्ले कर रही हूँ. माई फ्रेंड्स आर कॉलिंग मी बॉम्बशेल बामिनी दीज डेज विच इज़ सो मच फन. मैंने ऐसा कैरेक्टर पहले कभी प्ले नहीं किया है. शी इज़ वेरी एनिमेटेड. शी इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट हॉट. She's a child woman and she's really sweet and a little funny as well. And the boys, oh my god, they are so good. You guys are going to fall in love with the boys. How do you increase immunity? हमने अभी आधे घंटे के लिए जो प्राणायाम किए हैं उससे आपकी immunity definitely बढ़ेगी. मैं काम करके कैसा लगा? बामिनी एंड बॉयज़ में काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत मज़ा भी आया. मुझे पहले समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा किरदार कभी निभाया नहीं है पहले, पर डिफरेंट है और बहुत अच्छा है, तो मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया. डू यू यूज़ एनी हर्बल व्हाट बाबा? For someone who's returning to exercise and yoga after a few years, what poses should they start with? Hips and ankles. Ash, so I think I would recommend you to go to my YouTube channel Vidya Malavde. There are a lot of beginner poses. There's a lot of hip opening work as well, and just basically generally to sort of start moving bit by bit. Don't rush into anything because that's never a good idea. पर थोड़ा अपने आप को वक्त दो. ये 1-2 महीने में you'll feel कि आपके हिप्स ओपन हो जाएंगे. एक पूरा जो आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो, अगर आप सूर्य नमस्कार भी करते हो, उससे भी आपके हिप्स और हैमस्ट्रिंग्स को, आपके एंकल्स को बहुत you'll feel like it's opening up. So definitely go to the YouTube channel Vidya Malavde and go ahead. Again, Prithpal, please, lower back pain. Now I have made a full video of lower back pain on my YouTube channel Vidya Malavde. Go ahead and have a look at it and practice it. Lower back pain अलग अलग चीज़ों की वजह से हो सकता है. It's because your hips are tight, your glutes are tight, your see what happens is हमारा जो rib cage है वो बस यहाँ है, अपने upper back में है. तो ये rib cage में जो thoracic spine है, जो upper back है, वो spine काम करना नहीं चाहती, क्योंकि उसका तो मस्त कवरिंग है. I call it the lazy spine. So उसका ब्रंट जो वो काम नहीं करती, all that is compensated by your lower back, because the lower back has no support from anywhere. We bend the way we do, we kind of sit in weird positions like this. If you're sitting all the time, see what you're doing to your back. So which is why it's very important to make sure that you keep also with this rounded spine posture. All this is all these are why these are problems why your lower back can hurt. So do go ahead and definitely you have to do twists every day, even if they're gentle twists. These are just things to open out all these muscles around the spine, and also create that length in the spine. That is very important. So there is a video of lower back pain relief on my YouTube channel. आप please जाके उसे देखिए. I know I should post more on my YouTube channel, but actually my schedule has been so haywire. मुझे खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता था जब हम बामनी और बॉयज़ अब तक जब तक लॉकडाउन नहीं हुआ, लॉकडाउन के लास्ट डे पर finally I got sick and I had absolutely no time to record anything, which is why anyways I'm coming on live every Sunday now, so you all can have something or the other about yoga from me. Okay, I'll take like last 2-3 questions, and then ashwagandha or giloy root, but both, why not? Remember my role from Chak De, thank you. I hope you all remember Zeenat Kareem also from Mismatch, and Bamini also from Bamini and Boys. Which exercises are good for lower back pain? आप please जाइए, I have a YouTube channel called Vidya Malavde. Lower back pain relief का मैंने पूरा वीडियो बनाया है, आप please उस पर जाके practice करिए. Thanks for spreading positive vibes. Thank you so much actually for being here, guys. It's all about immunity via herbal intake. Immunity via herbal intake. So I have a lot of so I tell you what, more than eating tablets really, I feel like but yes, I feel like whatever natural you can get, you should get. Sunlight is a definite immunity booster. If you want to take intakes, whatever. So if you want to take a tablet, a vitamin C, even zinc is really good. So vitamin C is like, you cannot imagine how incredibly important, which is why I have amla every day, every morning, because it is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which keeps your hair, skin also good, and your immunity at its top. Broccoli has a lot of all these citrus fruits, so all of that will enhance your immunity. The food that you eat will give you immune protection. Like I said, yeah, you can. I take this chewable tablet called Zucee, Z-U-C-E-E. So that's also really nice. It's got zinc and vitamin C. Anything else? How do you keep yourself to do motivated to do yoga every day? You know, it becomes a part of your, just जैसे आप सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हैं, जैसे आप सुबह उठ के नहाते हैं, तो it becomes a part of your system. When you see that your body and more importantly your mind is completely changed, and I don't know, I think my life has changed because of my practice. So yeah, that how can you not, how can I, there's not even that. Of course there are times when I feel like यार मुझे नहीं करना है, दुख रहा है या जो भी है, पर फिर भी आपको पता है जब आप करोगे, प्रैक्टिस करोगे, योगा आसन करोगे, प्राणायाम करोगे, तो उसके बाद जो फीलिंग आपको आती है, बिकॉज यू नो लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट एंडोर्फिन्स, यू फीलिंग गुड अबाउट योरसेल्फ, यू नो यू अचीव्ड समथिंग इन दैट डे. Otherwise my day just goes like that. So I think there's enough motivation every morning to get up and say, let's seize the day today. In fact, what I was talking about that theta state in the morning when you wake up, I think it's very important at that time to do your affirmations, because your brain is registering that, and instead of looking at a phone or something else, it's really nice. First of all, when you wake up, open the window, curtains, whatever, let sunlight come in, you know, because it's wake up time. And then just tell yourself, like I wake up in the morning and I say, okay, today I'm going to seize the day and come back, or I'm just going to wake up and I'm going to make whatever it is that I need to in this day. And then I will start by saying, I am healthy, I am safe, my family is safe, we are all healthy, we are all happy, we're all you know, just everything. I'm young, I'm beautiful, I am successful, I am everything that you really want for yourself and for your family and community, say it. You want this lockdown, this virus to go away. You say it, you pray it away out of your system, out of your life, out of everybody's life. So I'm gonna, okay, I'll make a video for you guys for, this is what I've been wanting to do anyways. So I'll make a video for you for your posture correction, how to have this back, this kind of a back become this, which you really have to promise to do every day, I feel. I'll just make a 15-minute video or something. Okay, I think I've talked too much now. मेरा आवाज़ भी गया. Anything else? When will I start posting on YouTube? I will try and post more. Chalo, let me try and do that. Any more questions? Can you put a video of tutorial for split? Okay, I'll put a split wala video for you guys on Instagram and on my YouTube channel also. Chalo. All the best for Bamini and boys. Thank you so much, Ishta. Okay guys, that is be all from me this morning. We've already been on for like about 50 minutes, but I will see you again on next Sunday. हम फिर से ये प्राणायाम का पार्ट 2 करेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को बामिनी, ये फ्राइडे को बामिनी और बॉयज़ ऑलरेडी रिलीज़ हो जाएगी. तो आप प्लीज़ बामिनी और बॉयज़ देखिए, क्योंकि मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी संडे को, एंड आई विल बी बैक ऑन संडे एंड वी विल डू प्राणायाम पार्ट 2 ऑन संडे. There's lots more. I really encourage you to do what we did today, all the 3 pranayams that we did, and watch your life change. Thank you so much.